Dyson vacuum?
Oh, to tell you, Ryobi came out with this new stick vacuum, and I actually got it today.
I thought we were getting a Dyson.
Well, they claim it's as good as a Dyson. You want to come and look at it?
Well, yeah, we have all those other Ryobi products that are great, so we might as well try this out too.
Right. So hopefully it works good, but I thought about getting a Dyson, but we'll try it out. Oh, it's a little pricey, but we'll see how it
How
goes.
pricey?
It's like $149.
What?
Here it is. What do you think?
Well, it looks pretty cool, but I need to make sure it works.
Right? Well, we'll do a review on it and see how it does compared to our vacuum, I think.
Well, that's fine as long as I get to be the one testing it out.
Hey everyone, this is Two Hearts In. It's a late Friday night and I got this awesome stick vacuum that I haven't unboxed it, so I haven't gave my first thoughts about it. It's the Ryobi Stick Vacuum. I don't think it's the hybrid, but I'm not sure if it is or isn't. It doesn't say, but we're gonna unbox it. And the number is P718. And from what I've heard, it is an excellent vacuum. And it's got the brushless motor, and it says it has better performance than the competitors. It says 45 minutes of runtime on one battery. And that's running off the 4AH battery that you get it with. This is $199 that I paid, and you get the 4AH, which is $99 if you went to Home Depot and bought that alone. So essentially you're paying $100 for the vacuum. But it's not really expensive. I think it's right in the middle. Ryobi's coming out with everything. That's what their motto will be. We have everything. Like literally, they're gonna have everything. So we'll unbox it right now. I believe I can just pull it apart here. Now there's a lot of pieces this comes with. So I might do an assembly video for you too, so that way we can put it together quick. So we got the head, got the wall mount, attachment, the stick, the $100 battery, for AH. Let's see if they got this baby charged. Half. Another part of the wall mount here. Of course, this is on every vacuum. Attachment for the crevices, I'm guessing. That's what they mean. And the main component to all this stuff. The motor, the filter, the whole shebang. Nice and light. I like it. Shove all this back in here. Now they always ask if you want a 3-year warranty, and I always decline it, which I don't know. I've had mixed reviews from people saying that's a good deal, that's not a good deal. Leave some comments below and give me your opinion if it's a good deal or not. The ones that I do like are the ones that are based out of, like, let's say Home Depot says we'll give you a 4-year plan, replacement plan. If something happens to yours, just bring it in, we'll give you a new one. But these manufacturer warranties, You gotta call them, you gotta send this, you gotta do that. It's not fun. I don't even wanna deal with it. Time is money, and if you spend an hour and a half on the phone, you might as well just go get a new one, honestly. But that's just my opinion. So we'll just quickly give it a shot. See what happens here. Okay, locks in. Boom, we got a stick. Now remember, this is the first time I've used this, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but it's not rocket science. We'll just... That sounds pretty cool. Sounds like a jet taking off. And then they have a second speed. That's crazy. I gotta do it again. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited about this. That sounds awesome. Oh my goodness. My first thoughts, obviously, this thing's cool. And quick release. Remember, I haven't read anything or know nothing about this. So it's very user friendly, simple. I mean, sounds like it's got some juice. And the wall mounts look very simple, easy to put up in your house. It looks good for your house. You know, and it's competing with the Shark and the Dyson and all that. All the companies that have been working for many years on vacuums. So I'm super excited to see how this does. That's my first thoughts. I'm excited to see what this thing will do. I think it's fantastic look, light, presentation, it looks good. The design, everything about it. This was an unboxing and first thoughts. Remember, this is 2 hearts in. You keep living.
Because I'm happy. Clap along.